Hello again, everyone. Okay, I'm almost finished with this mum. I do want to decorate the mum flower. You can leave it blank, or just depending on how much the person spends or what they want. I like to put stuff on there, and I like to make them as different as possible. I try not to do any two the same. So I made this cute little cheer bow, and I actually even put a clip on it so she can use it if she wants to. And I will just clip that on there. Just grab some of the flower petals and put that on there so it'll be snug. Just a simple little cheer bow, but it adds something cute to the mum. Okay, and then I have this little basketball because they are having a basketball homecoming, and I put the name of the school on there in vinyl, and hopefully those will not come off. And then I also, I'm just going to put this on there. I added a cheer vinyl on there. So what I want to do is just do my basketball sort of like that, and a cheer horn like this. See that? Okay. But I want to be careful not to glue it to the bow. Okay. So I'm just going to add a bunch of hot glue to the back of that. A little hole again. And then I'm going to go up underneath with those petals. So I want to make sure there's plenty of petals between me and the hot glue. And I'm just going to press that down so it sticks really well. Okay. Now I'm going to put some hot glue on the back of this. And I'm not going to go all the way up because I don't want to get it on this bow. So I'm just going to put it about right there, I think. Again, I'm going to try to go underneath the petals. Try to get several layers of petals between you and the hot glue because it is very hot. Just squeeze that down. And I'm still getting some glue on me. Make sure it's on there good. You do have to hold it for a minute or two just to make sure it stays on there. Cools down. Okay. Needs to be stuck pretty good on there. Okay. Alright. It's got a cute little montage there, a basketball and cheer and the cheer bow. So hopefully she'll like it. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.